Okay, so I've got this mirror, side mirror off, and I just did a video explaining about this this motor I got off of 2008. And so this mirror's been jacked up, and it wouldn't go down. It was like stuck right there, and it's had stuff wedged right there to keep it in place so you can actually see down a little further versus just looking up too high. So anyway, so I've started to toy with this thing and looking at it to see if it was like the other mirror, and it is not. And as I looked at it a little further, it's got where somebody has rigged this thing up. It looks like it's already been apart once, and I'm not too sure what's going on here. So there's some, you can see that these tabs are broke off. That should have gone over this, both sides. This thing is strapped in there. I'm a little baffled. So I'm going to take this motor out and try to go with the glass that I got that came with that motor that I got from the junkyard. But I don't know what's going on in here, but this is not what I expected. So somebody's already messed around with it before whoever had it before us, and they had it jimmy rigged. So I'm fixing to try to fix it. We'll see what happens.